Good morning, it is Vlogmas Day 7. It's gloomy AF, it's 41 degrees, and it's raining. But you know what? It's the holiday season, so let's keep the festive spirit up. Today is one of those days where everything is so overwhelming. I have to edit 3 more vlogs, and then I already did food shopping. I had to cancel going to the gym because I hit a ton of traffic, so I was gonna be really late, so I'm just going later. I promised myself I wasn't gonna sacrifice working out for anything, so we are working out. We're making this happen. No more Miss Lazy. Then right now we are headed to Pier 1 to pick up the Papasan chair finally. Ooh, this is pretty good. Okay, that was an epic fail, guys. I went to the wrong location. Okay, we're finally at the right location. This might be good for the apartment. How much is this? I did not know that that was the name of this one. We have so much of this in the Philippines. And these are on sale too for 25% off. How much are these? These are $59, 25%. So it comes out to like 30 something. I might get one. This is a chinchilla wreath. 20% off of these candle holders. I wanted to get one. How much is it? 19 plus 20% off. That's not a bad deal at all. So I was thinking of like doing something similar to this one, but instead of like poopery balls or pine cones, that's what they're called. They're not called poopery balls. Okay, we're driving around to grab the items. Okay, let's just hope I'm in the right spot. She said drive around the back of Best Buy. I'm not really familiar here, so I don't know if I'm going the right way, but let's cross our fingers. This looks correct. Yep. Drive around the back of Best Buy. Oh, there it is. Secrets, the Pier 1 back door. So I've been knocking on the wrong door in like forever. That was the fire exit. That wasn't the delivery back door. I mean the pickup back door. Okay, you see this, guys? We're all cozy right now. Yeah, there's no room to move. My groceries are like right beside me. So let me just do some maneuvering so I could at least change gears. There we go. I think that should be fine. It's just drive and park anyway, so let's go home. Yeah. Okay guys, let's do a really quick food haul. Remember how I keep complaining that it takes me too long to de-rib kale? Well, here is the answer. Mixed baby kale has 0 ribs. Will save me some time. Win! And then we have some clementines, we have some sweet potatoes, another type of sweet potato. This is the roasted sweet potato wedges. This is fully cooked and ready to eat. I wanted to give that a try. You could tell that I love sweet potatoes. I also picked up this one and decided to give myself a treat after all that heavy lifting. And these are the banana chocolate chunk muffins. They're supposed to be protein muffins, so let's see if they're any good. More kale, and then this is brand new. This is the Persian cucumber. It's seedless, it's sweet, it's crunchy. My type of cucumber. And then this is the reason why I really had to go food shopping, because we ran out of milk. Blue Diamond, yes. So these are our protein bars for the week. OG French vanilla, same brand but different flavor. This is peanut butter. I haven't tried this one. I haven't tried anything that compares to this one in terms of favorites, so that's why I keep going back to it. These are totally brand new from another brand, Think Thin. These are salted caramel, peanut butter, and chocolate almond brownie. I also wanted to show you guys this one. Oh, remember that family that we shot earlier? They gave this to us, so it says every day is coffee day, and then that's for me, Avi, and then this is for Wes, rise and grind. So this is for you, Wes, and my family and friends. If you want to give me something for Christmas and you don't know what to get me, just get me a coffee mug, a plain white mug that says some inspirational shit on it. I'll be happy. It'll be cheap for you, and I will truly, truly love it. Good morning, guys. It is day 8 and getting ready to go to the gym. Water check. Let's see, which protein bar should we choose today? Let's try salted caramel since it's on top. Okay, making moves. Keys check. Okay, I'll see you guys in the car. Happens when you leave your timer on for forever. Forever. Later. Ta-da! It is already 9 p.m. Time check brought to you by The Body Shop. I don't know how to start this, guys. It's Vlogmas Day 8. I've pretended to open Day 7 and Day 8 of the Advent calendar 3 times now. I'm in that kind of a funk. This is a sharpener. This is coconut oil. Tell me how to start you today. Yo, what's up? Yo, what's up? Yo, what's up? Yo, what's up? Okay. Yo, what's up? Help me help you. Hello, my name is Bob the Builder. For Vlogmas Day 8, we will be building some IKEA furniture. Let's build this thing. Scissors, check. You know why I'm wearing a onesie? Because it's cold AF right now. Oh snap! Thank God for Pitbull, now I'm awake. Of course, those tools have to be in the most complicated toolbox that we have. Yay! Okay, that's it. Enough dancing for one day. But thank you guys for hanging out with me on another vlogmas. We did it. I hope we didn't wake our neighbors. But anyway, I'm gonna say good night. Thank you for hanging out with me. Same time tomorrow. Watch out for vlogmas day 9-10, I guess. So it's not tomorrow, it's the next day. And yeah, did I say thank you for hanging out with me today? Okay, I'm gonna say it again. Thank you. Mwah! And I'm gonna say goodnight. Peace. I think it's it. People with babies have passed.